Welcome to Tech Kings. The best gaming PCs are the most powerful tool for playing most demanding games and a lot more. Rapid frame rates and high resolutions is fun, but you can just as easily use a gaming PC for graphic design, animation, or simply streaming movies and TV in beautiful 4K. While the PS5 and Xbox deliver plenty of power, they are still no match for one of the best gaming PCs. If you want fast loading SSDs, gorgeous ray tracing, massive quantities of RAM, 4K resolution and 60 plus FPS frame rate, you don't have to wait until the consoles come back in stock. You can have the best gaming PC right now, and unlike a console, you can upgrade PCs as better components becomes on the market. That's why today we came up the best top 5 gaming PCs you can buy in 2021. But before we begin, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Now without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Corsair One i160. Who says you need a gigantic power for high-end gaming PC? The Corsair One owns the compact gaming PC concept to near perfection, cramming an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 2080 into a stunningly sleek chassis that can blend into offices and command centers equally well. The Corsair One's sleek RGB lighting offers a ton of customization options, and its liquid-cooled internal design keeps the small machine quiet, even during heated 4K showdowns. It's worth noting that the Corsair One is not the most upgrade-friendly machine, so you will need to pick a configuration you will want to stick with or have some decent technical know-how to swap out parts. But if you are limited on space but don't want to sacrifice performance, the Corsair One is one of the best gaming PCs for fans of compact machines. What we like most about this PC is wonderfully compact design, sleek customizable RGB lighting, and strong overall performance, even though it's a little bit expensive. Number 4. Dell G5. The Dell G5 is one of the best gaming PCs for the folks who want a solid entry-level machine that's very easy to upgrade. This fiery affordable desktop starts with a modest Core i3 processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 card, but can be outfitted with up to Core i7 and RTX 2080 for more intensive gaming. One of the best G5's biggest selling point is its sleek, foolproof chassis, which is incredibly easy to open up should you want to swap out components over time. We found Dell's desktop to be reliable for playing most difficult games at 1080p and 60 frames per second. I like that the machine comes mostly free of bloatware. Overall, if you need a good affordable desktop that you can make more powerful over time, the Dell G5 is a great choice. What we like most about this PC is good productivity and gaming performance, reasonably priced and great chassis. On number 3 we have MSI Trident X. The first thing you will notice about this PC is that it's absolutely gorgeous. This small angular machine fits easily into just about any gaming nook and is ideal for either desktop or living room setups. The second thing you will notice is that it runs games absolutely beautifully, wherever you want to experience them at Ultra HD or ultra high resolutions. With a variety of processor options from which to choose, you will be able to customize a machine that works for your games and for your monitor. Just be aware that no matter how you design Trident X, it's going to be expensive. Furthermore, the accessories it comes with, the MSI Clutch GM11 mouse and keyboard, are mediocre at best and disappointing at worst. Still, in terms of both physical design and raw performance, the Trident X is one of the most gorgeous and functional gaming PC on the market today. What we like most about this PC is powerful performance, quiet cooling and smart, compact design. Number 2. CyberPower PC. The CyberPower Gaming Extreme VR is one of the best gaming PCs for folks who want to spend $800 without sacrificing much in the way of power. Packing a Core i5 processor and NVIDIA GTX 1660 graphics card, this desktop can run mainstream games at high settings and even handle virtual reality without much of a sweat. Better yet, the Gamer Extreme VR is very easy to open up, making it a great starting point for gamers who eventually want to upgrade to more powerful parts. The Gamer Extreme VR has long been a favorite at top online retailers, and for good reason. On top of its strong performance and low starting price, this machine has a fairly sleek and flashy design, complete with a custom RGB lighting both on the fans and within the case. You also get a CyberPower keyboard and mouse right out of the box, so you can spend less time fetching extra accessories and more time fragging your friends online. And number 1. Alienware Aurora Air 10. Alienware Aurora Air 10 delivers big on every front. It's stylish, it's powerful, it's customizable, and it's easy to upgrade regardless of wherever or not you are a PC enthusiast. The Air 10 model sports Alienware's latest Legend design language, delivering a sleek, curvy chassis that looks great in both white and black, and sports free fully customizable RGB zones. But the real magic lies inside, where you can outfit the Aurora Air 10 with up to Intel Core i9 Ryzen 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics card for handling the best VR games without a sweat. And even if you start small, the Aurora smartly designed chassis lets you open the machine up and swap out the GPU and RAM without the need for any tools. No matter how you configure it, Aurora is the best gaming PC you can buy in 2021. What we like most about this PC is attractive design. Very easy to upgrade graphics, sleek customizable RGB lighting, blistering gaming and CPU performance. But it's quite expensive. The price of this PC is about $1,900. Thanks for watching. Leave the comment below which gaming PC you have, and don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. See you soon. Bye.